In this video, I want to show you how to pair your Onn Bluetooth speaker, no matter which model you have. They almost all work the same way with your Mac computer, so you can listen to music or watch movies. First step, power on your Bluetooth speaker by pressing the circle button during 2 seconds.
Power on. Bluetooth pairing.
If you hear Bluetooth pairing, well, this is great. If you don't hear Bluetooth pairing, press the minus button and the circle button, both for 3 seconds until you hear a chime, and then you're gonna hear Bluetooth pairing. Now set aside the speaker, and on your Mac, you're gonna go on the top right corner, right over here. Tap on this icon, go down, select Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth list of the speakers and other devices that are currently connected. But now we're going to select Bluetooth settings instead. This will open. And if you go all the way down in the list that just opened, you're going to see your Onn speaker. Simply click on it, connect.
Bluetooth connected.
And as you just heard, the speaker is now connected, so you can start using it and it will work. In the future, if you want to disconnect it or simply don't want to use it anymore, you go in this list, okay, I want in the same place, Bluetooth list, you can simply click disconnect.
Bluetooth pairing.
And the speaker will go automatically into Bluetooth pairing since it got disconnected from your computer. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.